Welcome to another energetic news update from Certrec, your source for regulatory insights and energy innovation. As data centers grow rapidly across the U.S., many states are adopting new policies to manage surging electricity demand, protect ratepayers, and strengthen grid reliability. Here are some key state responses. In Texas, under SB 6, large load customers must make financial commitments and may be required to cover interconnection and transmission costs so that those aren't shifted onto other ratepayers. Colorado's HB 1177 is offering long-term development rates for customers up to 40 megawatts that support new data center projects while maintaining grid reliability. Georgia, Indiana, and Oregon require large facilities to make financial commitments for grid upgrades and long-term power purchases. Utah, Maryland, and West Virginia have opened pathways for on-site generation and backup power to reduce grid stress. And North Carolina and New Jersey have passed measures increasing oversight and studying whether rising demand is impacting local electricity bills. Together, these policies signal a new expectation. The companies driving enormous load growth must share responsibility for infrastructure costs, reliability, and planning. For more updates on regulatory changes affecting power markets and emerging energy trends, visit RegSource by Certrec. Like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell icon. And stay tuned for the latest energy news.